Circular flow of income. The circular flow model demonstrates how money circulates through society. Money flows from producers to workers as wage and flows back to producers as payment for the products. In short, an economy is an endless circular फ्लो ऑफ मनी। इसका मतलब ये हुआ सर्कुलर फ्लो ऑफ इनकम, मतलब ये हुआ कि इनकम रिसीव्ड बाय हाउस होल्ड फॉर रेंडरिंग प्रोडक्टिव सर्विसेज, दे spends all the incomes on consumer goods. Ultimately, the income which they generate from rendering services goes to producers. This is a way of cycle in which money circulates from producers to household and household to producers bags. Next, different sectors in circular flow of income in an open economy. There are mainly 4 sectors of economy in case of circular flow of income. Firm sector यानी बिजनेस सेक्टर, प्रोड्यूसर सेक्टर या प्रोडक्शन सेक्टर. सेकेंड, हाउस होल्ड सेक्टर्स. थर्ड, गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर. फोर्थ, रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एक्सटर्नल सेक्टर्स. These are the sectors in which circular flow of economy happens. Phases, stages of circular flow of income. Production, consumption, expenditure and generation of income are 3 basic activities of an economy that go on endlessly are called as circular flow of income. That is, production, consumption and expenditure are the 3 main activities of any economy. Production gives rise to income. Income gives rise to demand for goods and services. Such a demand gives rise to expenditure. Expenditure induces for further production. The whole process forms the basis for circular flow of income and related activities. That is, production generates income, income generates expenditure, and expenditure induces further production. This is the cycle which goes on in circular flow of income. Second is production phase. Second topic is production phase. What is production phase? Production means creation of utility to satisfy human wants. It involves the coordination of all the factors of production in some desired ratio. This job is performed by a producers or firm who takes an initiative with motive of earning profit. He hire land, labor, capital and an organization and makes them payment in the forms of rent, wage and salaries and interest. This phase is to produce goods and services and after selling them to generate income. Second phase is income phase, that is distribution phase. Producing firm earn revenue from sale of goods and services produced by them. Whole of earning is divided between factors provided by household sectors in the form of rent, wage, interest, and profit. Such an income is classified into three parts: compensation of employee, wage, salaries, commission, bonus, etc. Second, B, operating surplus, that is profits, rent, interest, royalty, etc. Mixed income, income of self-employed. Thus, production takes the shape of income of household sector. Third phase is expenditure phase and disposition phase. Household sectors spends income to satisfy unlimited and recurring wants. Any saving out of total income takes the shape of investment on capital goods that helps in generating income of the economy. Expenditure becomes the income of producing sector that promotes further uninterrupted flow of income. Next topic is circular flow of income in a two-sector economy. Circular flow model in two-sector economy is a hypothetical concept which states that there are only two sectors in the economy: household sectors and business sector, that is firm sector. The household sector is the sources of factor of production who earns by providing factor services to the business sector. The business sector refers to the firm that produces goods and services and generates income by supplying the produced goods and services to the household. There are some assumptions of two sectors economy. First, there are only two sectors, that is household sectors and firm sectors. Second point, no government involvement. Third point, closed economy, that is no foreign trade. It means there is no import and export, no saving by households, and last is no investment by firm. Such economy has two types of markets: product markets and factor markets. This means since in this there is only two sectors, one is firm sector, second is household sectors. Firm sectors produces products and firm sectors provided factor of production. So in this economy we can say there is only two types of market, one is product market and second is factor market. Firms hires factor services from household sector who are the owners of the factor of production, land, labor, capital and enterprise for producing goods and services and pays compensation in the form of money for renting productive services. For factors of productions, these are factors income known as rent, wage, interest and profit which have been generated in the production process. Thus, money income flows from firm sector to the household sectors. With this money, the household purchase from the firm goods and services to satisfy their wants. With The result, same money flow back from household to firm sector. Thus, entire income and economy come back to the firm in the form of sales and revenue. This is diagram of two sector economy. One is firm sector, second is household sector. Firm sector pay factor payment to household sectors for rendering productive services in the form of rent, wage, interest and profit. And household sector purchase goods and services from firm sector. This is called product market. Circular flow of income with capital market financial system. Financial institutions are promoting primary intermediaries between savers and investors. Household and firms save part of their incomes and deposit in the capital market, leading to the money flows from household and firms to capital market. This constitutes a leakage from the circular flow of money. Firms also borrow for purpose of investment. This becomes injection in circular flow of money.